She will also receive Service Award, Best in Religion, and TKBS Award. Kotomo Angel G with high honors. She will also receive Perfect Attendance Award, Conduct Award, and Best in Religion. Mahinay Mary Chris O with high honors, Perfect Attendance Award, and Service Award. Omusola Angela C with high honors. She will also receive Perfect Attendance Award. Opi Faith Girl R with high honors. She will also receive Most Outstanding TKBLC Award and CSA Award. Panigin Meredith B with high honors. She will also receive Perfect Attendance Award, Service Award, and Most Outstanding TKBLC Award. Rinconada Princess Elaine C with high honors. She will also receive Perfect Attendance Award and Conduct Award. Barbarona Jillian B with high honors and Perfect Attendance Award. Colonia Chantel I with honors. She will also receive TKBLC Award. Inika Joylyn T with honors. She will also receive Perfect Attendance Award and Outstanding TKBLC Award. Lokpane Alina GC with honors. Mante Maricel C with honors. She will also receive Perfect Attendance Award and TKBLC Award. Namang Joshua Ipitan Clement M with honors. He will also receive Outstanding TKBLC Award. Narisma Kyle M with honors. He will also receive Perfect Attendance Award, Best in Religion, Most Outstanding TKBLC Award, and CSA Award. Umusura Angelica S with honors. Ordinario Rian G with honors. She will also receive Outstanding TKBLC Award. Pakutan Hannah Noreen C with honors. She will also receive Outstanding TKBLC Award. Tagines Lord Krisha M